Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. Google's DeepMind co-founder predicts AI-powered personal assistants for everyone in the next 5 years. Midjourney's founder rejects venture capital and builds AI winner. Gizmodo fires Spanish staff and replaces them with AI translators. Now let's dive into the detail. Google's DeepMind co-founder predicts AI-powered personal assistants for everyone in the next 5 years. Mustafa Suleyman, co-founder of Google's AI division DeepMind, predicts that within the next 5 years, everyone will have their own AI-powered personal assistants. He believes that AI will boost productivity and intimately know personal information. Suleyman, who is now the CEO of Inflection AI, the tech startup behind an AI chatbot called Pi, said that everybody will have access to an AI that knows you, is super smart, and understands your personal history. He even predicts that AI will be able to preserve things in its working memory. In turn, he says the technology can help make people's daily lives just a little bit easier. As the technology continues to evolve, Suleyman believes that AI's role in people's lives will go beyond just personal assistance. He says that in 5 years, everybody is going to have their own chief of staff, which refers to a high-level position at a company that is intended to help executives make better business decisions. Midjourney's founder rejects venture capital and builds AI winner. David Holes, the founder of Midjourney, has been rejecting venture capitalists' offers to invest in his company since he founded it in mid-2021. Despite the intense interest from investors, Holes has adamantly refused to raise money, making Midjourney a source of intrigue in the VC world. Midjourney uses machine learning models to generate hyper-realistic images, and its profitability and astronomical growth have enticed investors. Holes' rejection of venture capital bucks the trend among artificial intelligence startups, which have raised more than $17 billion in fresh capital in recent years. Gizmodo fires Spanish staff and replaces them with AI translators. Gizmodo parent company G/O Media fired the staff of its Spanish-language site Gizmodo en Español and began to replace their work with AI translations of English-language articles. The decision to eschew human writers for AI is part of a recent trend of media companies experimenting with AI tools as a way to maximize content output while minimizing human labor costs. However, the practice remains controversial within the broader journalism community. The loss of original reporting from Gizmodo en Español is potentially a major blow for Spanish-speaking audiences seeking news about science, technology, and internet culture. While AI translation technology has improved significantly over the past decade, experts say it still can't fully replace human translators. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest news, and see you in the next video.